Hello, Spokane business community. Mark Pond here at the Spokane Public Library, and wanted to run you through a couple of bits of functionality with our AtoZ databases. So AtoZ, that's our primary business directory, and while I'll show you some of the functionality in terms of pulling together lists of businesses, either as potential sales leads or maybe you're doing some competitive analysis. There's also a consumer and residential side to the directory that I'll show you as well. But step number one is really setting up the geographic region that you want to focus on. And that process, it's the same whether you're looking for a business or looking for households. So once you're logged into the database, let's just pretend like we're looking for businesses in this particular example. If there's just one specific business, you could just type that business name in there and pull up the information that AtoZ would have available. But in terms of setting up your geographic region, let's go to this advanced search. And then from here, step number one really is setting up that region. And they give you a number of pre-formatted geographic regions by state or city or county zip code. And those all work really well. So you could say, all right, let's just look for a particular listing of zip codes. We want to find all the businesses in the 99201 zip code. Okay, there they are. So that's pretty straightforward. But sometimes the region that you're looking for doesn't exactly match up exactly with some of those predefined geographic regions. And for that, probably what you would want to do is either go to this radius search where you could say, all right, for let's say 75 miles around the 99201 zip code. We run our search and there are our 38,741 results there. So that's also a pretty powerful bit of functionality. One other piece though, in terms of defining the geographic region, is this map-based search. And here you can get really fine-grained and you can customize this really however you want. So let's just zoom in here to the Spokane region. So let's say that you had a reason to need to pull together a list of all the businesses on I-90 between downtown Spokane and maybe out here towards Liberty Lake. So what you can do in that case, you can come in here, just click the draw shape, and let's just start here. And then you can put in as many clicks as you want to make this as fine-grained as you might need it to be. But let's just come out here to Liberty Lake. We'll hop over to the other side of I-90, make our way back, kind of tracing the curves there of the freeway. And then to finish the shape, just come back to your starting point, click in that little dot there, and then we get a list of 5,654 businesses within that shape. To actually get that list, be able to see it, what you have to do is click OK, and then also come up here under Update Count, and then give that a second, and then you can close the map, and then we'll be back here to our search screen, and then you can run your search. All right, so there are your 5,600 plus businesses along the I-90 corridor here. One other piece, just to throw this out there. Once you have your geographic region set up, then you can throw as many or as few of these other filters running down the left-hand side here at the search as you want. So let's say if you were interested in just all of the manufacturing firms within that geographic region, we can run that search, and now we've got it narrowed down to 337. All right, so that is how you go about setting up geographic regions within AtoZ. And I hope that gets you pointed in the right direction. But if you have any questions, do let me know.